Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you some pretty cards perfect for Mother's Day. So let's get started. So today I would like to share with you this pretty die cut sheet, and it comes from the Spring is Here line by Emi Design. These sheets are by Find It in Holland. And last week I showed you die cut sheets with birds, and here's another one. 3 embellishments per sheet, and then the additional layers, and they're all numbered, so for easy assembly. And I thought these beautiful colors in green and pink and purple would make nice Mother's Day cards, or for that matter birthday cards. And for today I made these beautiful square cards. They are 5.5 by 5.5, or maybe a little bit more. I used my Crafter's Companion die, and this is what you see here. And then of course this beautiful embellishment from my sheet, and I used this one up here in the corner, and then I layered it. But the paper is by Studio Light. I'm going to share this paper pad with you in a minute because it is absolutely gorgeous. But for here what I did is I just used the 6x6 paper. I die cut, add a little border from my stash and bow, and this little bling I have just got in, and this is a bag, and these are Princess Stones by Hardy Crafts, and I just want to show you how pretty they are. So these are non-adhesive stones, and they're 100 per bag, and I have them now in my store. But look how beautiful. Let's see if this is coming in here. Let's just put these here. These are in all different colors, and look how beautiful they are. I mean, they look like diamonds. So super pretty. And all you have to do is use a little bit of adhesive and add them to your cards. What I really like with these particular stones is that they are, let me see what else we have here, that they are not heavy. They're totally light, so they won't add weight to your cards, and that is sometimes important, right? So these are the ones that I have just got in my store. So again, they are non-adhesive. You would have to use your own adhesive, but they're very pretty, and there are 100 to a bag in different colors. And here I just used this green one, and look how absolutely beautiful this is. Okay, so I made a top fold card. Happy birthday. This glitter sticker I also carry in my store, and I will link it below. So here's my first card. Now my second card again is a square card. I used the very same die from Crafter's Companion, added this beautiful topper from my die cut sheet. In all 4 corners I have these princess stones, and look how beautiful they are. I created a little banner here with a punch that I have, and this is how I use up my scraps. All the best is a sticker from a sticker sheet, and then the butterflies are also punched out. But you can see this beautiful background paper. And let me show you where this comes from. So these are those new 6x6 paper pads from Studio Light, the English Garden. So there are 2 different ones. Each sheet, each pad has 36 sheets and 9 different patterns. And as you can see, they are absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this, and I'm just gonna flip through it here quickly so you have an idea what comes with it. It is so super beautiful. Look at this. That's one, and then again there is a second version, and those are just gorgeous. And these are the ones that I have used And you will see them in coming up videos too, because I just played with them. They were so pretty. I used up an entire paper pack very quickly. And what comes with these is a die cut pad with over 270 paper elements, and of course matching that same color family, you have these beautiful die cut pieces. All you have to do is, you can see that you just take them out, and you have toppers and additional layers. 270 plus, so in the back you can have a quick look what's in there. But look at this beautiful teapot and vase. So I think each comes, let me see how many times each comes. So you have the teapot once, twice. So each sheet comes twice. Look at this fountain. So pretty. Garden elements. And the colors are just so gorgeous. So I haven't had a chance to play with these. Look at that. But I will. I can't wait. But I have already, like I said, I used, look how cute this is. I used the paper already because I thought these would make beautiful backgrounds for my Mother's Day cards. And then here is my last card. Again, this is the very same idea. So this is how quick cards come together. You make one card and then you can make more than one, and you already know how it works. I am a fan of quick cards that still look stunning and involved, and I think these just made it. The die, of course, is very beautiful, but this princess stones, the beautiful embellishments from our die cut sheet, a greeting, make these cute cards. I hope you liked my cards for Mother's Day and birthdays. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment in the box below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. So thank you for spending time with me today. Please stay healthy, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.